All right, welcome to Unit 7, Circles and Composite Figures. We're working on TEK 7.9c, which is pretty much the composite figure part of Unit 7. For the last couple of days, we've been finding the area of geometric shapes just by themselves, and today we are going to combine them to make kind of an odd-looking shape, but once we define what smaller geometric shapes make that weird, odd-looking shape, you'll see how we can find the area of that shape. So moving forward, our target statement, I will utilize the area formulas on the mathematics reference chart. That is a link, because it's underlined, it links to the STAR reference chart for 7th grade. So I can calculate the area of rectangles, triangles, parallelograms, trapezoids, and parts of circles. We're not normally going to do a whole circle. Usually it's a semicircle or a quarter circle. I'll know I have it when I can demonstrate my knowledge by solving for the area of each simple geometric figure, then adding them together for the total area of the composite figure in real-world situations. You're going to love this real-world situation we have for you, because we are going to be looking at a house plan. Look at this beautiful house plan right here. It has a master bedroom, another bedroom, a third bedroom. It has a garage, a laundry room, kitchen and dining room, family room. Look at that master closet. Woo! All right, and there is even a long bathroom. That's kind of long. But anyway, this is the house plan that we will be looking at. This house plan has a lot of simple geometric shapes in it, just like every house. I want you to look around your house. Since you're sitting at home doing remote learning, look around. Is your bedroom a square? Is it a rectangle? It's definitely not a triangle, I'll tell you that. It's probably not even a circle. But look around, walk around your house. Notice where all of the different corners meet. Notice if it's a big rectangle, a small rectangle. Is it more of a square? Is your hallway, do you see your hallway? It's probably a really long rectangle. You didn't realize this probably since you've been living in your house. If you have any pop-outs, like in that dining kitchen area, you see how it kind of pop-outs like that? If you have any of those, that actually can form a semicircle. Your house, just like this house plan, is a composite figure because it is combined, or it has a total of all these simple geometric shapes that make one big gigantic shape that we call a composite figure. So that's what we're going to be doing. We are actually going to be looking at this house. We're going to solve some simple word problems that go along with doing some renovations to this home, and you'll be able to see how, if you have your own home or if your parents are renovating their home, how they figure out the cost of that renovation. And so we're going to be doing that today. I am so excited because you get to see finding the area of composite figures done in the real world right now. It's exciting. So exciting today. I'm really excited about this. So let's go forward.